Committee on Empowerment of Women, Srimati Sudha Murthy.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy of each in Hindi and English versions of the first and second report of the Committee on Empowerment of Women 2025-26 as listed against my name in today's list of business. To lay the following action taken reports, Hindi and English versions of the Committee of Empowerment of Women. First report of the Committee 2025-26 on action taken by the government on the observations and recommendations contained in their English report 17th Lok Sabha and working of National Commission for Women and State Commission for Women pertaining to the Ministry of Women and Child Welfare, and second report on the Committee 2025-26 on the action taken by the government on the observation and recommendation contained in their 17th Lok Sabha on the subject health facilities for tribal women pertaining to the Ministry of Tribal Affairs.
A statement by Minister Professor S.P. Singh Baghel.
सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज राज्यसभा की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 3 पर मेरे नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध वक्तव्य सदन के पटल पर प्रस्तुत करता हूं।
Honorable members, we have approximately 50 speakers remaining in the ongoing special discussion on India's strong, successful and decisive Operation Sindoor. We may consider resuming the special discussion at 12 noon today by speaking question hour and lunch hour. The House may continue to sit beyond 6 p.m. till the conclusion of this discussion. Do I have the sense of the House?
We, all of us this side, are cooperating not 99%, 100% we are cooperating with this government to run this House. Sir, we will start whenever you want to start, 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, that's not the issue. Sir, we still have 2 weeks of Parliament. The issue for all of us is SIR must be discussed in this House.
No, it's not going on record. Please take your seat. So, do I have sense of the House? हम देर तक बैठ सकते हैं? हम देर तक बैठने की सहमति है आप सबकी? देर तक बैठने की सहमति है आप सबकी? Thank you. मैं अनुरोध करूंगा till the conclusion of the debate. Please, not going on record. Announcement. Please. माननीय एलओपी बोलना चाहते हैं, प्लीज माननीय एलओपी।
सर, मेरा कहना यह है कि इसको एक कब लेने वाले हैं, डेट और टाइम हमको बोल दीजिए, क्योंकि SIR सर प्लीज सर आपका ही बोल रहा हूँ सर, नहीं आपको बोलना चाहिए। ये तो लेकिन आप
विषय से अलग बोल रहे हैं। अभी हमने प्रस्ताव रखा है कि सदन की से नहीं जा रहा रिकॉर्ड पे, नहीं, इट्स नॉट गोइंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड। ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, नो, इट्स नॉट गोइंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड। नथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड। I have already taken the permission of the House. We will resume discussion at 12 noon today by skipping question hour and lunch hour. The House may continue to sit beyond 6 p.m. till the conclusion of this discussion. All of you have given your consent. Nothing will go on record. Honorable members, 18 notices have been received under Rule 267. The notices of honorable members, 18 notices have been received under Rule 267. Please go back to your seats. देर रात तक बैठने की, जब तक बहस समाप्त हो, आपकी सहमति मिल गई है, मैं आगे चल रहा हूं। द नोटिसेज ऑफ श्री मोहम्मद नदीमुल हक, श्री प्रकाश चिकबराइक, श्रीमती JB माथेर हिसम, श्री संजय सिंह, श्री अखिलेश प्रसाद सिंह, श्री तिरुचि शिवा, सुश्री सुष्मिता देव, श्री साकेत गोखले, श्री रणदीप सिंह सुरजेवाला, श्री मनोज कुमार झा have demanded discussion over the concerns arising out of a special intensive revision of electoral rolls undertaken by the Election Commission in Bihar. The notices of Sri Sukhendu Shekhar Roy, Susri Dola Sen, Srimati Sagrika Ghosh, Sri Rita Brata Banerjee have demanded discussion over the alleged discrimination against Bengali migrant workers in other states. The notices of Sri Santosh Kumar P, Dr. John Britas have demanded discussion over the alleged unjust arrest of 2 nuns in Chhattisgarh on 25th July 2025. The notice of Sri Ramji Lal Suman has demanded discussion over the unprecedented and unexpected resignation of Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha. The notice of Dr. B. Sivadasan has demanded discussion over the rising incidents of racial attacks against Indians worldwide. Some notices were also received yesterday evening while the sitting of the House was continuing, and these have not been taken into consideration for